Did you know there's a way to find the area of a triangle using just the lengths of its sides? Keep watching to find out how. Welcome to Math Bytes. I'm Allison, and today we're talking about Heron's formula. The standard formula for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, or 1/2 b times h. But even if you know all three lengths of the sides of your triangle, you still have to find the height, the perpendicular distance from whatever you're calling the base to the vertex, in order to find the area. What if there was a way to find the area of your triangle using just the side lengths? Well, there is. It's called Heron's formula, or sometimes Heron's formula. Before we look at exactly what Heron's formula is, let's talk about the perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter is the distance around the outside. So if we have our triangle here with side lengths A, B, and C, the perimeter P is equal to A plus B plus C. Now, Heron's formula uses half the perimeter called S. So S is equal to P over 2 or A plus B plus C over 2. Okay, so here's Heron's formula. Where S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2, that's half the perimeter, the area of the triangle will be the square root of S times the quantity S minus A times the quantity S minus B times the quantity S minus C. That is Heron's formula. Let's take a look at an example. So we have a triangle here with side lengths 7, 10, and 11. So let's say that A is equal to 7, B is equal to 10, and C is equal to 11. Now, just to remind ourselves, Heron's formula says that where S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2, the area A is equal to the square root of S times quantity S minus A times quantity S minus B times quantity S minus C. So let's just step through this. Let's find S first. So S is equal to 7 plus 10 plus 11 over 2. That's equal to 28 over 2, or 14. S minus A is equal to 14 minus 7, or 7. S minus B is equal to 14 minus 10, or 4. And S minus C is equal to 14 minus 11, or 3. Now we have all our values, we just plug them into the formula. So we get that A equals the square root of 14 times 7 times 4 times 3. And multiplying, we get the square root of 14 times 84, which is the square root of 1,176, and that is approximately 34.293 square units, whatever units we happen to be working in. And that's the area. Now, note, it doesn't matter which side you call A or B or C, but it is important to define them so that you keep yourself straight and don't get mixed up about which numbers you're multiplying together. Okay, let's do another example. We have another triangle here with side lengths 7, 6, and 3. So let's say A equals 7, B equals 6, and C equals 3. S is equal to A plus B plus C over 2. So that's equal to 7 plus 6 plus 3 over 2, or 16 over 2, which is equal to 8. S minus A is equal to 8 minus 7, which is 1. S minus B is equal to 8 minus 6, which is 2. And S minus C is equal to 8 minus 3, which is 5. All right, so according to Heron's formula, A is equal to the square root of S times quantity S minus A times quantity S minus B times quantity S minus C. So now we just plug in our values, and we get the square root of 8 times 1 times 2 times 5, which is equal to the square root of 8 times 10, or the square root of 80, which approximates to 8.944 square units. Heron's formula is really useful and actually very simple to use. Just be sure to step through your calculations so you don't make a mistake. That's it for this episode of Math Bytes. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if there's something you'd like to ask us or a topic you'd like us to discuss, just send us an email. We're at contactmathbytes@gmail.com, and we'll see you next time.